Robert, thank you for joining us. We're at the One-to-One Oil and Gas in London today. Tell us a little bit more about Impact Oil and Gas.
Okay, thank you. Impact Oil and Gas is a privately owned oil and gas exploration company offshore Africa. We're chasing deep water funds, so we're looking at ultra deep water up to 3,500 meters offshore South Africa, Namibia, and the AGC region, which is in between Senegal and Guinea-Bissau. We started about 10 years ago, raising some seed capital back then. We've since had backing from two major shareholders that have put in most of the capital over the last 5 years in the downturn. It's really quite exciting at the moment because after 8 years of bloody hard slog, we're now at the point where we're drilling. We participated in the Brulpadda well offshore South Africa at the start of this year, which was a discovery, albeit a fairly small interest, but hopefully a very large discovery. But the big event for us next year is the drilling of the Venus well offshore Namibia. And the potential there, it's operated by Total. We've got two blocks. The main prospect that we're going for there is called Venus Main. We believe it has potential to be well in excess of 1 billion barrels. We've got 20% of that. And we hope that by drilling that, if it's proven successful next year, we've got further prospectivity into the block next door to the west, and we could see something really quite substantial in that region.
So, obviously a private company. The purpose of being at One-to-One today?
Bottom line is we've got to find capital. We've had superb support from our main shareholders, but as we go into the drilling phase, I mean, if the Venus well is successful next year, we'll need appraisal for that. We've already got the discovery in South Africa, so we need, we're expecting to drill 2, possibly 3 wells in South Africa next year. And if we have success in both of those, going into 2022, 23 and beyond, that's a hell of a lot of capital that's required, way beyond the capacity, I reckon, of our existing shareholders. So the likelihood is we'll list.
Good. And obviously very exciting times for you there. The One-to-One event, how's that been for you?
So far, I mean, it's only just started, but so far very professionally organised. It's a good list of investors, good list of participants here. So I'm expecting it to be pretty good.
Excellent. Well, Robert, thanks for your time today.
Pleasure. Thank you.